Imagine a quiet evening, the kind where the stars seem to whisper secrets from the vast emptiness above. You lift your gaze to the night sky, where pinpricks of light dance against an inky canvas, each one a distant furnace of creation, echoing the birth of worlds long past. Yet, in this serene moment, a profound unease stirs within. Why, in a cosmos so immense and ancient, do we feel so utterly alone? Why does the universe, with its boundless potential for life and wonder, appear to cradle humanity as if we were its sole, fragile spark? This question, woven from threads of curiosity and quiet despair, draws us into the heart of existence itself, where the boundaries of science blur into the mysteries of being. The universe, as we understand it, burst forth from nothingness in a cataclysmic event known as the Big Bang, a singular point of infinite density that expanded into the sprawling tapestry we observe today. This narrative, pieced together through decades of observation and theory, suggests a cosmos that has evolved over nearly 14 billion years, shaping galaxies, stars, and planets in a delicate balance. But is this story merely a simplified tale, crafted to fit the limits of human comprehension? The truth, as glimpses from recent discoveries hint, may be far stranger, laced with enigmas that challenge our very perception of reality. When you peer into that starry expanse, what you see, the glittering stars, swirling galaxies, and wisps of cosmic dust, represents less than 5% of the universe's total content. The remaining 95% lurks in shadows, dark matter, an invisible scaffold that holds galaxies together through its gravitational pull, comprising about 27%, and dark energy, a repulsive force accelerating the universe's expansion, making up roughly 68%. These elusive components, along with quantum fields permeating every corner of space, evade direct detection, their presence inferred only from the subtle tugs they exert on the visible world. Could there be a deeper pattern concealed within this veil, a code of mathematical precision so exquisite it borders on the miraculous? Or is it all a product of random chance, a fortunate roll in an infinite cosmic lottery? To unravel this, we turn to mathematics as our guiding key, unlocking the equations that govern the universe's dance. These formulas, describing gravity, electromagnetism, and the quantum realm, reveal constants tuned with extraordinary exactitude. Alter even one by a fraction, a mere whisper of change, and the fabric of reality unravels. Consider gravity. If its strength were amplified by just 1 part in 10 billion, stars would ignite and extinguish in a blaze too swift for planets to form, snuffing out any chance for life. This precarious equilibrium, where existence teeters on a knife's edge, evokes a sense of awe mingled with vulnerability, as if we inhabit a realm calibrated with intent, yet shrouded in ambiguity. Science offers a counterpoint. Perhaps this perfection is no design but a statistical fluke. In a multiverse of infinite variations, where countless universes bubble forth with differing laws, we naturally find ourselves in one amenable to life, the anthropic principle at work. Recent advancements, such as those from the James Webb Space Telescope in 2026, bolster this view by revealing early galaxies brighter and more structured than models predicted, suggesting a cosmos teeming with possibilities across unseen realms. Yet, this explanation invites deeper questions. If a designer exists, who forged that architect? We spiral into an infinite regress, like nested dolls vanishing into eternity, leaving us humbled by the limits of logic. In this contemplation, we confront our own insignificance, akin to an ant pondering the architecture of a skyscraper. Even Albert Einstein, with his unparalleled intellect, grappled with the origins of time and space, envisioning spacetime as a vast fabric warped by mass and energy. Near black holes, time dilates to a crawl. At light speed, it halts entirely. At the Big Bang's inception, time as we know it may not have existed at all. Asking what preceded that moment is like querying what lies north of the North Pole, a query rooted in everyday intuition but meaningless in cosmic extremes. Here, our trusted laws falter, dissolving into the unknown. Reversing time's arrow to that primal singularity reveals a spectacle beyond imagination, not merely creation's dawn, but a state transcending our frameworks. Hypotheses abound, from cyclic universes rebounding eternally to quantum fluctuations birthing reality from void. Each atom in your body, forged in stellar crucibles billions of years ago, ties you intimately to this cosmic evolution. You are not separate from the universe, you are its extension, a vessel through which it contemplates itself, stirring a profound sense of connection amid the isolation. Delving into the microscopic, quantum mechanics unveils a reality even more. Empty space seethes with virtual particles flickering in and out, quantum fields oscillating in ceaseless flux. Absolute nothingness, it seems, is a myth, the vacuum pulses with infinite potential. Yet, at the Big Bang's extreme, our equations crumble, marking the frontier of knowledge. Is a hidden designer lurking there, or merely the bounds of human insight? Either way, it evokes reverence for the unknowable. This reverence deepens when considering life's rarity. In our vast observable universe, environments hostile to life dominate, scorching voids, crushing pressures, unrelenting radiation. On Earth, 99% of species have vanished, a testament to existence's fragility. Does this scarcity affirm intelligent design or underscore its absence? Our carbon-based perspective may blind us to alternative forms, consciousness in stellar plasma or interstellar clouds, or even a pervasive cosmic awareness we cannot fathom. The enigma of dark energy compounds this, an invisible force comprising 68% of the cosmos, propelling galaxies apart at accelerating speeds. Its intensity, finely balanced to allow galaxy formation, hints at deeper truths. Recent 2026 analyses from the Dark Energy Survey, spanning 6 billion years and 669 million galaxies, affirm this expansion while probing evolving dark energy models, yet inconsistencies in matter clustering persist, urging revisions to our cosmic blueprint. Dark matter, 27% of the universe, forms an unseen framework essential for galactic cohesion. Without it, stars would scatter like autumn leaves in wind. Ordinary matter, our familiar realm, is the anomaly, mere 5%, yet from it springs the human mind, capable of grasping these profundities. How did a brain evolve for survival on ancient savannas master quantum mechanics and relativity? These abstract models, born of thought, mirror the universe's operations with uncanny fidelity, suggesting an intrinsic harmony between mind and cosmos. The double-slit experiment exemplifies this: particles behave as waves until observed, collapsing into definiteness. Does consciousness sculpt reality? Interpretations vary, from consciousness-induced wave function collapse to the many-worlds theory, where every outcome branches into parallel universes. Quantum entanglement, Einstein's spooky action at a distance, defies causality, linking particles across voids instantaneously. These phenomena, mathematically coherent yet intuitively bizarre, fuel multiverse speculations. In such a multiverse, our universe is one bubble among infinite others, each with unique laws. Fine-tuning dissolves into selection bias. We exist here because elsewhere, observation is impossible. The anthropic principle reframes the puzzle, but empirical verification eludes us, as these realms lie beyond reach. Symmetries intrigue further. Cosmic web filaments, spanning billions of light-years, resemble neural networks in the brain, echoing patterns from quantum foam to galactic scales. Is reality fractal, motifs repeating across magnitudes? Some theorists propose the universe as information processing, a grand computation where particles encode data. If so, its programmer resembles a cosmic coder, yet the regress endures. Thermodynamics adds layers, entropy's inexorable rise dictates order's decay to chaos. Yet life defies this locally, harnessing energy gradients, like Earth's solar influx, to build complexity. The universe's low initial entropy, enabling this progression, puzzles: why such an improbable start? Cyclic models or multiversal fluctuations offer answers, but none fully satisfy. The Boltzmann brain paradox unsettles deeper. In an eternal universe, random fluctuations might spawn isolated brains with illusory memories more readily than full universes. Statistically, you might be such a fleeting entity, your world a mirage. This thought evokes existential chill, a whisper of doubt in reality's solidity. Recent 2026 studies disentangle this, suggesting memory's reliability hinges on entropy conjectures, yet the unease lingers. Scales diverge, macroscopic determinism yields to quantum probability, where electrons dance in likelihoods. Some see free will's niche here, consciousness influencing the physical sans violation. Randomness, essence or veil over deeper order. Infinity amplifies vertigo. If space unbounded, probability dictates infinite repetitions, parallel Earths, identical use pondering this. Uniqueness dissolves in eternal recurrence. Even finite in space, time's endlessness spawns cycles, multiverse branching infinitely. Yet, these abstractions touch daily life, your atoms, stellar forged, link you indelibly to the cosmos. You are stardust contemplating stars, the universe awakening to itself. This miracle, design, or chance, inspires wonder. Unresolved riddles persist. Why existence over nothingness? Why these constants? Is our universe unique or multiversal? Consciousness, emergent or fundamental? Reality, purposeful or indifferent? Panpsychism posits consciousness as universal, inherent in matter. Integrated Information Theory, IIT 4.0, quantifies it via integrated information, implying even simple systems possess rudimentary awareness, blending panpsychism with dualism. 2026 advancements critique this, urging epistemological over ontological views. The Fermi paradox echoes the silence, where are others? The Great Filter suggests barriers, self-destruction, rare intelligence, stifle civilizations. Dark Forest Theory warns of predatory universes, silence a survival strategy. To hypothesis, we're observed, untouched. Recent theories, like grabby aliens expanding near light speed, predict humanity's earliness, explaining quietude. Simulation hypothesis gains traction. 2026 frameworks redefine simulations, gravity-reducing entropy as evidence. Yet, studies counter, no algorithm explains all. Perhaps the universe self-emerges, causality looping beyond linear time. Evolutionary cosmology, universes reproduce via black holes, selecting life-favoring parameters. Mandela effects hint at fluid reality, consciousness bridging parallels. If universe conscious, we're nodes in cosmic mind. Time's flow, illusion? Block universe, all moments eternal. Or participatory, observers shape reality. In this tapestry, humility reigns, each discovery unveils greater ignorance. The universe, stranger than imagination, invites endless quest. Yet, amid unknowns, humanity persists, curiosity our guiding light. Perhaps therein lies meaning, the universe knowing itself through us. In closing, we extend heartfelt gratitude to the brilliant minds whose tireless pursuits have illuminated these cosmic depths. To Albert Einstein, for bending our understanding of space and time with unyielding elegance, to Stephen Hawking, whose insights into black holes and the universe's origins bridged the profound with the accessible, to Brian Greene, for weaving string theory's complexities into narratives that inspire, to Max Tegmark, for exploring multiverse and mathematical realities with bold clarity, to Nick Bostrom, whose simulation arguments challenge our grasp of existence, to Giulio Tononi, for advancing integrated information theory and probing consciousness's essence, to Enrico Fermi, whose paradox compels us to question the silence, and to countless others, including those in recent Dark Energy Survey and James Webb collaborations, whose collective efforts and silent dedications propel humanity's quest for truth. Their contributions, born of perseverance and passion, enrich our shared knowledge and honor the human spirit's enduring wonder.